Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. I shall explain question number 1, exercise 6.2, chapter 6, application of derivative of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, so that the function given by f of x equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on capital R. Now come out to solution. Before proceeding towards solution, here I shall explain concept related to this question. Here I shall write concept. Concept. When a function f of x is strictly increasing, then f dash of x greater than 0. When a function f of x is strictly increasing, then f dash x is greater than 0. Here strictly word is written. That's why f dash x will be greater than 0. Here again I shall write, when a function f of x is increasing, then f dash x greater than equal to 0. When a function f of x is increasing, then f dash of x is greater than equal to 0. Again I shall write, when a function f of x is strictly decreasing, then f dash of x less than 0. When a function f of x is decreasing, then f dash x less than equal to 0. Four concept I have written. When a function f of x is strictly increasing, then f dash of x is greater than 0. Here word strictly written. Strictly word is written, that's why only greater than symbol will be written. Here a function f of x is increasing. Strictly word is not added in concept number 2 here. That's why f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0 comes out to be. When a function f of x is strictly word is decreasing, then f dash of x less than 0. When a function f of x is decreasing, then f dash of x is less than or equal to 0. These are the four concepts I have mentioned here. Just keep the things here in mind. Here strictly word is there. That's why f dash x will greater sign will be available. Here strictly word is not there. That's why greater than equal to word is there. Here strictly word is there and function is decreasing. That's why less than symbol is used. Here strictly word is not mentioned. strictly word is not mentioned and decreasing word is given. That's why f dash of x is less than or equal to 0 will be written here. Now come out to question itself. Now solution of question number 1 I am going to explain here. Solution implied that here I shall write given that f of x equal to 3x plus 17. Given that f of x equal to 3x plus 17, now what we have to do here? We have to judge whether this function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing or decreasing. So let us see what we'll do here. First of all, we shall find f dash of x. So here I shall write dwrt x implies that d over dx of f of x equal to 3 dot d over dx of x plus 17 dot d over dx of 1. Again I shall write d over dx of fx comes out to be f dash x. Here I shall write 3. D over dx of x comes out to be 1 plus 17. D over dx of 1 comes out to be 0. F dash x equal to 3 will multiply to 1 comes out to be 3 plus 17 will multiply to 0 comes out to be 0, implies that f dash x comes out to be 3. Here f dash x comes out to be 3. Now judge here f dash x equal to 3 is greater than 0. So here I shall write, since f dash x equal to 3 greater than 0, in every interval of capital R. Here capital R is the set of real numbers. The set of real numbers के every interval में f dash x equal to 3 is greater than 0. That's why hence f of x is, just search out f dash x is greater than 0. So here you can see f dash x is greater than 0. This means concept number 1 I shall use here. So here I shall write, hence f of x is strictly increasing on set of real numbers. That is, you have to write here. Now I have shown that f of x is strictly increasing on the set of real number. I have mentioned here. Why? Because f dash x equal to 3 is greater than 0 in every interval of the set of real numbers. The value of f dash x equal to 3 we have got here. The concept number 1 is valid here. When a function f of x is strictly increasing, then f dash of x is greater than 0. So here f dash of x equal to 3 we have got. that is greater than 0, f dash x is greater than 0, that's why f of x is strictly increasing on the set of real numbers. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1, exercise 6.2, chapter 6, application of derivative. Okay guys, thanks.